Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. Well, a couple of years ago, I did a video. I think I titled it, My Dad Passed. Dad made it to almost 96 years old. And now just recently, our mom passed. Mom lived to over 100 years old. We were so proud of her, glad to have her with us for such a full life, such a long life. But I certainly didn't want to miss Mom in doing this and only do a little video about Dad. Mom was terrific and taught us an awful lot. I'll share just a couple stories about Mom. She was born here in Ohio and grew up on a kind of a farm area and was always very active helping people, even when she was a little girl, a young girl, maybe say 13 or 14 years old. She helped a family who needed it. She actually moved in to help them for a while in their home. When my dad's mother died, leaving it just with grandpa and then 3 boys, my mom moved in to help do a lot of things with them in their home to help them. And then my mom also helped my own grandfather live with us in our home for about 5 years until my grandfather died at 92, but he lived with us in our home. Mom was always helping people. She was just terrific. She loved to read. She taught us the value of reading, and she made it fun. I don't know if this story will hit you, but when I was little, the local newspaper would have the little daily horoscope. Do you remember this? For every sign in the horoscope. So my mom would read all about the paper and we'd read news stories, but she'd also read for fun the horoscope for each of the kids. And we'd laugh and laugh. You know, sometimes those horoscopes, of course, the message is so general that it can almost apply to anything in your day. And we just thought it was great. I can remember when we delivered a little local paper, and it would be a freezing cold morning. And my sisters and I would be walking home with my dad after delivering newspapers to all these houses. And we could smell in the air that my mom was cooking pancakes and eggs and bacon, getting ready for us to come home. It was not so much about the little bit of money. I think we made 10 cents a paper. We really didn't make much at all. But I think it was about learning responsibility, getting up early, discipline to be willing to do that. But it certainly was a treat when we came home to be with her. Now, when my mom got older, after high school, when it was World War II, my mom joined the Waves, the Navy. And in the Navy, my mom went to Washington, D.C. with her sister. And the two of them lived in Washington, D.C. in the Navy. And my mom was one of the people you may have heard about. She was a code breaker. So she worked on breaking the codes, code breaking during World War II. She met my father after the war. And the rest, as they say, is history. But I just wanted to do a little short video to say how terrific our mom was. Just like we were very lucky to have Dad too, and I didn't want to miss the opportunity to share that. I'm sure that you have many stories about the loved ones in your life, and they are precious and they are worth taking a minute to remember. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.